On today's video, we're trying to fix a rattling noise at the undercarriage of this Corolla. Anytime you turn on the car and when you're moving at slow speed, there's that noise, you can feel it, and it stops the moment you hit about 40 miles an hour. So let me turn on the car so you can hear what noise I'm talking about, and then we can try and fix it. That's the noise I'm talking about. So this is what I'm talking about. This is what's come off, and you can see this is what there was a washer here that actually came off, and that's why this thing can't, probably need to make holes somewhere else. So two spots came off, this one spot and another one down there. This is the other part, the front part. That's why it came off, and you can see the other one is still intact. The one up front, this one is still intact, but this one, this is what came off, and that's why we have this noise. So probably need to make a few holes, maybe one here and another one on the other side, somewhere there, so that we can see if the noise will eventually stop. If not, we might seek professional help. But for now, I can try to see if it's something I can fix over here. So let me get my tools and let's see how it goes. So basic tools are needed: just a drill, a few screws, and if we need to make holes, then if we need this to make holes, then we have the complete set here. So I'll probably just try to drill the screw in and see if it works. If it doesn't, then we proceed with making holes. So that was unsuccessful. I probably just need to get the washer, buy a bigger washer, and open this up. A washer big enough that fits that big hole. Probably two washers, one down there in the center and another one all the way down. But for now, and before then, probably I can make it work with this Gorilla tape, just to probably wear somewhere here, just to hold it for the next few days, for the next day or two, and then probably the day after get the washers and just get the job done. So here I am at Lowe's. I had to go buy these washers, so I'm opting for a fender washer, and I think this is big enough for that tiny little space, and I hope this works. If it doesn't, then probably I need to be back here again. So after this, I need to get a tire ramp. I don't have one, so let me look for one. Here is the ramp, or rather the ramps. It's a set of two, and it's wide enough for, I think, truck tires. I have 20-inch tires and wheels, and I think this is good enough, and I think two is good for now. So I think with this and the washers, good to go. here we are. I've tried to unscrew these nuts over here, but I think because of the rust and because of how hidden they are, I can't it's hard to take them out, so I've resorted to just using this and the washer over here and just screw on top of it inside there. I think it's 3 spots probably here. The other one is over there. Yeah, that one. So I think that would be the best option for now, and hopefully the noise stops. So as you can see, this is why there's that crackling noise. With or without wind, you'd still, you'd still hear the noise. So hopefully it stops after what I'm planning to do now. Yeah, so it's tight enough now, so we move forward to the next one. That's the one, and do the exact same thing. That's tight enough too, so you can see it's not even moving. Yeah, so I doubt we'll have that noise again. I might add the other one or might not. So yeah, I think 1, 2 are more than enough for now, but I can probably turn on the car and just try and feel it and just try and see if it's the crankling will still continue. Yeah, so let's see. Yeah, I think it's good. It's not shaking. If you enjoyed the video, like, leave a comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.